Hi everyone, welcome back to this series of digital electronics. So now in this video we are going to discuss about 4 variable K-map. So in case of 4 variable K-map, we will have 4 variables, say A, B, C, D, where A is MSB and D is the LSB. MSB means most significant bit, D is LSB, and LSB means least significant bit. So in case of 4 variables, the total number of minterms would be 2 raised to the power 4, which is equal to 16 minterms, and it will range from M0 to M15. Suppose we have a function ABCD as a summation minterms 0, 1, 10, 12, 14 and 15. Now we have 16 possible combination in case of 4 variables, and hence 16 minterms from M0 to M15. So a 4 variable K-map would look like something this. Here there are 2 variables and here also there are 2 variables. So there would be 4 combinations possible for these 2 variables. That would be 0, 0, 0, 1, then 1, 1. Why? Because for adjacent cells only one bit should change, and if we put 1, 0 here, then 2 bits would be changing from this cell to this cell. Here only one bit is changing from, that is this bit, a bit, from 0 to 1, and the last combination would be 1, 0. Here also only one bit is changing, this bit is same ways. Here would be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 0, 0, 0, 0, and from the table 0, 0, 0, 0 is M0. This is 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1 is M1. This is 0, 0, 1, 1. From the table 0, 0, 1, 1 is M3. And this is 0, 0, 1, 0. From the table 0, 0, 1, 0 is M2. Similarly, this is 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0 is M4. 0, 1, 0, 1 would be M5. 0, 1, 1, 1 would be M7. And 0, 1, 1, 0 would be M6. Now 1, 1, 0, 0 would be 1, 1, 0, 0 would be M12. 1, 1, 0, 1 would be 1, 1, 0, 1 would be M13. 1, 1, 1, 1 would be M15. 1, 1, 1, 0 would be M14. 1, 0, 0, 0 would be M8. 1, 0, 0, 0. Then 1, 0, 0, 1 would be, see from here, 1, 0, 0, 1. Where is 1? This is 1, 0, 0, 1, M9. Then 1, 0, 1, 1 would be 1, 0, 1, 1 would be M11. 1, 0, 1, 0 would be M10. So this is the placing of minterms in a 4 variable K-map: M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7, M8, M9, M10, M11, M12, M13, M14, M15. This is MSB, this is LSB. If you change and keep this CD here, AB there, then the respective positions of this minterms would change, that we have already discussed in the previous videos of K-maps. So now solve or simplify this function using a 4 variable K-map. So now let us take an example. F ABCD is defined as summation minterms 0, 1, 5, 7, 10, 11, 14 and 15. So we place 1 at M0, M1, then M5, M7, M10 and M11, M14 and M15. So now we will do pairing. First of all, our main priority would be to make the largest possible group. So the largest possible group here is this quad. Yes, this quad is group 1. Then this one can either be paired with this one or this one with this one or this one, but this one can only be paired with this one. So first of all we will make a pair of this one, and now there should not be redundancy, so we will not pair this one to this one but to this one, and also this one will not be paired to this one to avoid redundancy, so these will be paired with each other. So this would be group 2, group 3. So our function a b c d would look like 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 में देखो इस सेल से इस सेल में जाते हुए हमारा बी चेंज हो रहा है पर ए नहीं चेंज हो रहा और ए 1 है, सो वी विल कीप इट एज ए। इस सेल से इस सेल में जाते हुए हमारा देखो बी तो निगलेक्ट हो गया है ना, क्योंकि यहाँ से यहाँ जा रहे हैं तो बी निगलेक्ट हो गया। यहाँ से यहाँ जाने में या इस सेल से इस सेल में जाने में हमारा ए क्या है 1 है, तो ए तो हो गया। इस सेल से इस सेल जाने में हमारा सी और डी में देख के तो डी चेंज हो रहा है 1 से 0, सो वी विल निगलेक्ट डी and C would be 1, so we will take C. So this group 1 will lead to AC. In group 2 A and B are constant, are not changing, so A is 0, so A bar, B is 1, B, and C is changing from 0 to 1, so we will neglect C and take D because D is constant as 1, so D would be taken as D because it is 1, so D. In group 3 A and B are not changing and are 0, so A bar, B bar. C is not changing and is 0, so C bar, but D is changing, so we will neglect D. So the simplification of this function would be f a b c d would be AC plus A bar B D plus A bar B bar C bar. Now if you have any doubt you can ask in the comment section, and if you like the videos then please subscribe to the channel and like the video so that this video reaches to as many students as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.